Hey everyone, I'm here with the third video in our series Weight Gain Foods and Recipes, and a quick update on how this weight gain diet has been very successful for my own child. I love it that you're loving this weight gain series and that many moms have shared how they're trying out these recipes for their little ones. Thanks a lot to all you moms for the love and encouragement. It's time to share my own experience. My daughter Ria, who is 3.5 years old, has always been an active, happy and a healthy child, but slightly underweight for her age. But I'm glad to share that I've seen a significant improvement in her weight ever since I started giving her the same recipes as I'm sharing with you in this series. This has been possible with frequent meals made with calorie-dense food and by avoiding all kinds of junk food. I hope you find this series helpful and you share your experiences with us in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed the recipes and the video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. I'm bringing lots of summer recipes, so join in the Foopla family and let's be healthier together. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all the notifications and updates. Check out some of our other videos here. Until next time, bye.